Okay ke bafundi, siyaqhubeka question yethu, question 3. So now sesiza ku 3.2. So Anoki Pty Limited. So guys, we can see that the company dealer nayo lana is a private company. So once the company eba no Pty, kusho ukuthi that company is a private company. So if company if beku Anoki Limited, then bekuzobe kuyi public company le. So now we are dealing with a private company, Anoki Pty Limited. The business sells electrical appliances. The financial year ends on 30th April. Kayla Bester is the sole shareholder and CEO of the business. So the company sells the electrical appliances, and there is only one shareholder who is also a CEO of the business, of the company, Kayla Bester, yes. So now what is it that we are required to do here? So 3.2.1 completes the creditors payment schedule for the budget period ending 31st July 2021. That is for 9 marks. So guys, you should be able to prepare. So you should be able to prepare the debtors collection schedule, and you should be able to prepare the creditors payment schedule. So in this question, we're gonna be preparing the creditors payment schedule. So if I understand noma ungenakho ukuqonda ukuthi i-creditors payment schedule yenziwa kanjani, ithuba ke elingayizivele leli lokuthi uyibambe ukuthi yenziwa kanjani. So kumele ke siye kwi-additional information yethu. Additional information yethu sizofunda from u-A size sifike ku-E. Yes, we're gonna read from A to E. So ayilapho sizothola khona imininingwane noma i-information esizoyidinga for ukucomplete our schedule, creditors payment schedule. So information A is about ama-sales. So we are given total sales. Singakukhohlwa-ke njalo bafundi lokho ebengikumentionile ekuqaleni ukuthi ama-sales wethu ahlukene kawu-2. So umu-add-a u-credit no-cash sales, uzobe usuthola u-total sales. So ama-sales ethu ahlukene kawu-2. Sikubhale lokho ukuze kukhande ku-total sales sifike sibe no-cash sales, and u-cash sales simhlanganise no-credit sales, credit sales, bese uma sibahlanganisa laba sesithola u-total sales. So lama-sales esiwanikezwe lana kusho ukuthi ama-sales ayi-combination ka-cash and credit, because bathi this is total sales. So total sales is the combination of cash and credit sales. So the information esinikeziwe la ku-A, we've got actual sales and we've got budgeted sales as well. So guys, uma sikhuluma ngo-actual kusuke kungama-sales asenzakalile lawo. So this is the sales asenzakalile. Then u-budgeted, these are sales esibudgetile ukuthi azokwenzakala. So this is the sales amount is expected which we're gonna receive for June and July. So now since u-budgeted period wethu uhlanganisa uJune noJuly, so usho ukuthi uJune noJuly sibabiza nge-budgeted period because izona inyanga esibudgetele lezi zoyi-2, June and July. Okay, so these are sales, total sales. B, credit sales comprise 60% of total sales. So 60% of total sales are credit sales. So sesiyazi ukuthi kusho ukuthi 40% is cash sales wethu. So uma bethi ama credit sales comprise u 60%, kusho ukuthi the remaining balance of 40% kusuke ngama-sales ka-cash sales lawo. Then special information leka B besizoyidinga kakhulu if besenza debtors collection period, debtors collection schedule, not period. So if besenza that debtors collection schedule besizoyisebenzisa kakhulu leya information ukuze sithole u-credit sales. So thina la kwi-question into ebafuna siyenzile is i-creditors payment schedule. So kwi-creditors payment schedule into ekumele siyithole ama-purchases esiwenze on credit. So i-focus yethu ayizukugxila kuma-sales because sifuna ama-purchases because ama-creditors siwakhokhela if isabe sayokwenza ama-purchases on credit then bese siyawakhokhela ngokwe-policy esinayo yokukhokha. Then size ku-C. Goods are sold at a markup of 80% on cost. So bafundi as-understandeni ama-terms wethu. Uma sikhuluma nge-markup sikhuluma ngani? So i-markup is a profit but esi-expressa as i-percentage. So i-markup is a profit so kumele sikwazi lokho. So markup is a profit esi-eme ukuyi-achieve when we sell our product. So ngamanye amazwi singasho ukuthi markup is a profit expressed as what? As a percentage. And ibalulekile ukuthi sazi ukuthi i-markup siyakhona ukuyisebenzisa ukuthola ama-purchases. So if isifuna ukuthola ama-purchases, we can make use of i-markup. So angikhombise i-formula esiyisebenzisayo. So uma sifuna ukuthola the purchases, sizosebenzisa i-formula le ethi sales. So we gonna take sales and ama-sales si-multiply so ama-sales so-multiplier go 100 divided by 200 plus markup. Plus markup. So guys, this is a formula esizoyisebenzisa ukuze sithole. Okay, so this is the formula esizoyisebenzisa ukuze sithole ama-purchases. So i-formula yethu ithi sales. So shuthi sizothatha uma ukuthi ufuna ama-purchases ka-April for instance, uzothatha ama-sales ka-April uwa-multiply ngo-100 over 100 plus markup. Obvious i-markup yethu sesiyazi 80%. Kusho ukuthi la sizoba ne-denominator ewu-100 plus 80 oku-180. So uma uthatha ama-sales ka-April multiply ngo-100 over 180, you're gonna get ama-purchases ka-April. Same thing applies mawufuna ama-purchases ka-May, you take ama-sales ka-May, you apply 100 over 180, then uthola ama-purchases. Kanjalo uJune noJuly. So this is the formula that we're gonna use ukuthola ama-purchases. So guys, kuyaphoqa lana ukuthi sibe nawo ama-purchases. So asivele siwenze nje straight siwafake kwi-answer sheet because vele kwi-schedule yethu we do need ama-credit purchases. So nangu credit purchases. Okay, so sizomthola manje u-credit purchases. For now asibe calculator ama-total purchases using the information esisanayo so far. So sesiyazi ukuthi okay, this is for uMay. So for uMay uma sifuna ama-purchases, so these are purchases for May. So angikubeke nje kucace ukuthi this is total purchases. So total purchases for May. So we apply formula yethu sizothatha ama-sales. So i-formula ithini? We take ama-sales. So sizothatha ama-sales ka-May. So ama-sales ka-May ayimalini? 878,400. So 878,400. Then multiply la. Multiply go 100 divided by 100 plus markup, that is 180. Then so bese sikwazi ukuthi sithole ama-purchases. La sekusebenza i-calculator. So calculator, CT878 400 multiplied by 100 over 180. So kusinikeza 488,000. So kusho ukuthi ama-purchases kaMay beku-488,000. 488,000. So ama-purchases kaMay lawo. Then sizokwenza ama-purchases inyanga elandela uMay uJune. So ngizoku-explainela manje ukuthi why sidinga ukuthola ama-purchases kaMay, June, July. Okay, this is for April, guys. So let me correct that. This is for April, landela May. So let us change that. This is April, and then ukhathi-ke senza for uMay. So for uMay, ama-purchases wethu sizothatha ama-sales ango-May. So how much ama-sales ango-May? It's 882,000. So 882,000 si-multiply ngo-100 over 180. So i-calculator izosilekelela. So 882,000 kuphuma u-490. So it's 490,000. So 490,000 is the total is the total purchases for uMay. Then size for lezi ezinye inyanga eziyi-2 kuzoba uJune and July. So June, total purchases for June. So start ama-sales akho June. How much ama-sales ango June? 918,000. So 918 multiplied by 200 over 180. And so bese sithola ukuthi iwumalini. So make use of a calculator because siyayidinga kakhulu i-calculator. So we change layer balance ebesifakile sizofaka ama-sales kaJune manje, which is u-918,000. Lokho kusinikeza u-510,000. 510,000. Okay, then bese kuba inyanga yokugcina okujuly. Okay, bengifuna ukuyibhala zonke kwiline eyodwa. So let me shift lezi khona kuzovuleka ispace sika July. Okay. So sibona ukuthi uJuly uyangena yini la. So July sifuna ama-purchases akhona. So uma sifuna ama-purchases, we take ama-sales ango-July. So ama-sales ango-July, how much? It's 936,000. 936,000 times 100 over 180. All right. So ngenhlanhla isikhala sethu siyanela. So izokwenzeka lento engiyifisayo. Okay, now sesishaya i-calculator. Sizoshintsha lapha ya u-918 kaJune sizofaka u-936 kaJuly. So 936 kuphuma u-520,000. 520,000. So guys, sesinawo ama-purchases. So this is how we get ama-purchases. So this is how we do it. Okay. See here, kanje. All right. Now, if sesinawo ama-purchases, ukhumbule ukuthi uma senza i-creditors payment schedule, sinaleya section ka-credit purchases. Okusho ukuthi ngoba sino-total purchases, same thing esikhulume ngayo regarding sales iya-applya nala. So u-purchases wethu, total purchases nawo uhlukene kawu-2 ngoba siya ama-sales ahlukene kawu-2. Kanjalo nama-purchases nawo ahlukene kawu-2, are divided into 2 ama-purchases wethu. So ama-purchases wethu are divided into 2. Okay, so I want to erase khona sizokwazi ukuqhubeka. All right. So ngishintsha ukhala wepeni sithi blue. So guys, ama-purchases nawo ahlukene kawu-2. Sinama-purchases esiwenza for cash, lokhu esikubiza ngo-cash purchases. Cash purchases. Siphinde sibe nama-purchases esiwenza on credits. So okungama-credit purchases. So ahlukene kawu-2 guys, ama-purchases, cash and credit purchases. So lama purchases ebesilokhu siwa-calculator la, these are total purchases. So uma sunama total purchases sekumele uwa-splithe into 2. Uthole ukuthi awubani ama-cash purchases wakho, awubani ama-credit purchases wakho. But asakafiki leyo information ukuthi sikhone ukuthola ukuthi i-rate erepresenta ama-credit purchases yuba. So asifundeni u-D. So uSibu usiza nge-markup ukuthi sazi ukuthi i-markup siyisebenzisa ukuthola ama-purchases. So we use the markup ukuthola ama-purchases, which is u-total purchases. So now if sesinawo ama-purchases, sekumele sithole ukuthi how much portion of ama-purchases wethu angena ngaphansi kuka-credit purchases, and then mangakanani angena ngaphansi kuka-cash purchases. So asifundeni u-D. The business maintains a fixed stock base level. Stock sold in a month is replaced in the same month. So this is straightforward. The cash purchases are 65% of total purchases. That's all information esifuna. But Ilana, the cash purchases are 65% of total purchases. So now umbuzo, sinawo yini ama total purchases for inyanga esinazo? The answer is yes, we have already calculated ama total purchases wethu. So now sesiyazi ukuthi u-65% of these purchases is for cash, okusho ukuthi the remaining balance okuzoba u-35% kuzoba ama credits purchases lawo. So now sesiyazi ukuthi okay, the rates representa cash purchases is 65%, and the rate representa the credit purchases kuzoba 35%. Then mhlawumbe omunye uyayibuza ukuthi u-35% simthola kanjani? U-35% uqhamuka. So angithi ubuka i-percentage la. So siyazi ukuthi i-percent lethu lakhiwa u-100. So the percentage is out of 100. So if bethi ama-cash purchases awu 65%, so ku-100 mawuminus u-65 kusala u-35. So le balance esalayo ka-35 kusho ukuthi i-portion leyo erepresenta ini ama-credit purchases. Now lo credit purchases o represent 35% iwona-ke kumele uzongena kule column. So la sizofaka inyanga. Okay, so qala la horizontally sifake inyanga esibudgetele. So inyanga esibudgetele zu-2. It's only June and July. Lokho sikuthatha. Now I'm going to put information A, our budgeted sales. So shuthi this is our budgeted period is June and July. Inyanga engena ngaphansi ka budgeted it is June and July. So that is why it's our budget period yakhiwa June and July. June and July. June and July. So this is our budget period. Then la usufaka inyanga zakho ke zonke onazo. So bengithe ngizokuchazela ukuthi why kumele sifake nezinyanga lezi eseyidlulile April. The reason is kusengenzeka uthola ukuthi kunama purchases esasuwenze ngo-April othola ukuthi sizoze siwakhokhele ngoJune noma ngoJuly because sisazofunda i-term yethu yokuthi sikhokha kanjani, sikhokha after how many months. So that is why lezi nyanga eseyidlulile nazo sifake because kusengenzeka uthola ukuthi kunama purchases enziwa ngaleyo nyanga angakakhokhelwa azoze khokhelwe ngenyanga ekwi-budget period yethu. So sino April, sibe no May, April, May, June, June and July. So April, May, June and July. So inyanga zethu leziya. Now sekumele sithole ukuthi how much balance esinayo yama credit purchases ango April. Angithi guys siyakhumbula sithe lo total purchases uhlukene kawu2. So lo total purchases uhlukene kawu2. So bonke laba ama total purchases of which ahlukana kawu2. So wonke ahlukana kawu2. So thina the portion esifunayo ile portion kabani ka credit purchases ekhandiwa u35% of total purchases. So if sifuna so thina sifuna iportion le representwa u35%. So that is the portion esifuna okuyiyona ke ezosinikeza credit purchases. So kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi sithola credit purchases sizothi total purchases times 35%. If besifuna cash purchases representwa u65%, besizothi total purchases multiplied by 65%. But asifuni cash purchases because sesibakhokhelile lo mali asibakweleti lutho. Imali esekumele sikhokhe kuma creditors wethu kuma suppliers wethu ile mali yempahla esithenge on credit ongama credit purchases. That is why ku total purchases si apply u35% okuyi rate representa credit purchases. So that is sizothola ukuthi how much is the credit purchases balance. So sesishaya we calculate. So we calculate yethu sino 488. So 488,000 total purchases multiplied by 35%. So multiplied by 35%. Lokho kusinikeza 170,800. So 170,800. So 170,800 credits. So these are credit purchases, guys, because it's apply rate representa credit purchases 35%. So sithola ama credit purchases. So for April sesingeza sizofaka lapha ya sesingeza sizofaka ku April 170,800. And then for May sithatha purchases wakhona total purchases si multiply ngo 35%. So nakhona sizothola ukuthi sinamalini ibalance ka credit purchases yango May. So sino 490 times 35%. So 490 times 35%. So siyoshintsha lapha ya total purchases ka May sesifaka April sesifaka oka May oku 490. Then kuphuma 171,500. So sesingeza sizofaka la 171,500. So same thing, guys, esiyenzayo for June. So lower nakhuza lower total purchases ka-June multiplier ngo-35%. So 510 times 35%. 510 times 35%. Lokho kusinikeza u-178,500. So sizofaka ku-June. This is credit purchases ka-June. 178,500. And then the last one, July. So July, 520. So 520, multiply with 35%. So times 35%. Laphaya kuzophuma ba 520. 520 times 35% kuphuma 182. So last is over no 182,000. Then guys, sesinawo ke ama balances wethu for ama credit purchases. So credit purchases. So I hope sitholile ukuthi siwathola kanjani. Into yokuqala oyenzayo kumele uthole total purchases ngokusebenzisa i-markup. So uthatha ama-sales aleyo nyanga umultiply ngo-100 over 180. U-8 uqhamukaphi i-markup yethu. So 100 plus 80, that is 180. Then lokho kusinikeza total purchases. Then masumazi total purchases. Total purchases wakho usuke e-100% because we-combination. So total purchases 100% because we-combination ka 65 and 35, which is cash and credit purchases. So if usumazi total purchases, usu-allocate ke i-portion ka-credit purchases ngokwe-rate yakhona. So i-rate representa credit purchases is 35%. So uma uthatha the total purchases umultiply ngo-35%, usuyawathola-ke ama-balances ama-credit purchases. Then sewuqedile ngale column. So now sesiza-ke kuma-payments ukuthi how do we settle these balances esiwakweleta ama-suppliers wethu. So sesizofunda u-E. Creditors are paid according to the following trend. So nansi i-trend esilandelayo if sikhokhela ama-suppliers wethu, ama-creditors wethu. 40% is settled in the month of purchase to earn 5% discount. So 40% we-balance esiyikweletayo to our creditors. So ukhokha ngenyanga esikwelete ngayo. Okusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi if sobuka u-April ngoba sikweleta u-170, 800 ngo-April. U-40% wale balance siwukhokhe ngawo u-April. Then bese sasihlomula ini? Sahlomula i-discount, isaphulelo sika 5%. So if isikhokhe within the month esithenge ngayo on credit, we get a discount ka 5%. And then next one, 50% is settled in the month following the purchase month. Then 50%, that is half of the balance, siseklisha the following month. Okusho ukuthi if besikade sikwelete ngo-April, 50% wale balance sikwelete ngo-April, we're gonna pay it the following month, which is May. That is 50%. And then the last one is 10%. So 10% is settled in the second month after the purchase month. So the 10% is settled in the second month after the purchase month. So says here root, okay, this is how we settle our balances rate. So now it's 40, same month, 50 the following month, 10% the second month. So this is how we settle. 40% is settled the same month as thengeng ngayo on credit, and then 50% is settled the following month, and 10% is settled, so 10% is settled in the second month after the month of purchase. Okay, so now this is how we collect, guys. Sekulula-ke. So now we have your information yokugcwalisa our sesinayo yonke information ukuthi sikwazi ukugcwalisa our schedule. So now wasicheckeni ke. Sikwelete ngo-April, ibalance yemali esikweleta ngo-April. Sikhokha ngo-April, it's 40%. So April sekuyinyanga esiyadlula, so it's not in our budget. So sizoyeqa leyo size 50%. 50% of that balance yango-April we're gonna settle the following month, which is uMay. uMay akekho kwi-budget period yethu, so sizoyeqa naleyo size ku-10%. U-10% sizowusettlisha ngenyanga yesibili after the month of purchase. So kusho ukuthi kuzoba uJune. So u-10% of that 170 esikweleta ngoJune, so ukhokha after 2 months. So this is the first month and the second month. So kusho ukuthi the 10% ebese u-10% webalance ebese owisha ngo-April, we settle ngoJune, which is inyanga yesibili from the month of purchase. So now sesiyazi ukuthi okay, that's total 170, 800. The 10% of that will be settled in June. So 10% here is 117 and 80. So now June sizoba no 17 and 80. So the 10% of my purchases are on April, credit purchases are on April, so seklisha ngo-June. Then sesiqedile ngo-Nakuza ngo-April. Angithi yabona ukuthi why besidinga ukuthi sibe no-April, because sesiyathola ukuthi there is ibalance ibalance yango-April esizoyikhokha ngo-June. So that is why besiqala ngo-April okufishiswe kwenyanga edlulile. So kanjalo nango-May. So ama-purchases esiwenze ngo-May, credit purchases esiwenze ngo-May, sakhokha ngo-May, it's 40% minus i-discount ka-5%. So uMay akekho kwi-budget period wethu, siyadlula lokho. And then 50% of that balance yango-May, we're gonna settle this the month following the month of purchase, which is June. So credit purchases ango-May, it's 171,500, and we know that the 50% of that balance will be settled in the following month, which is June. So half of that is 50%. So 50% of that is 85,750. So this 85,750 will be settled in the following month, which is June. And then 10% of that balance will be settled in the second month. So the second month, May, the first month is June, then the second month is July. So 10% of that will be settled nini go July. So sizala go July, 10%. So 10%, how much is 1750? So 17 150, 17 150. Then sesiqedile guys ngo-May. Now sesiku-June. So ngo-June sine-balance esi-owishayo ka-178,500 kuma-suppliers noma kuma-creditors, because we purchased on credit. So we know ukuthi u-40% of this balance we're gonna settle we're gonna settle ngayo le nyanga le. So we are told here ukuthi 40% is settled in the month of purchase, and don't forget about the discount of 5% esiyitholayo. So lapha abasuke benakhuza besi-encourage ngaleya discount ukuthi sikhokhe ngenyanga esikwelete ngayo, so that isothola leya discount lesiya saphulelo lesiya. So now June to June, so that is the same month. So 40% of this balance is gonna be settled within the very same month. So bese sithole discount of 5%. So senze njani ke lapho? sithi 178,500 multiply by 40% multiply by, so if guys uma sidila nama-percentages kumele wazi ukuthi i-percent out of 100, so uma sikhuluma nge-discount isaphulelo leso, so uma sithola i-discount ku-100 we-subtract u-5, so kusho ukuthi if isikhipha unakhuza u-5 ku-100% ngeke sisakhokha the full amount but sizokhokha only 95%, so 95 is because u-5 sesiminazile i-discount, siyayikhipha i-discount. So guys, this is the shortcut. So now multiply with 95%. So after discount, so 95% you rate after discount. So go how much? So calculator 178,500 times 40% times 40% times 95%. So sesiyikhiphile i-discount laphaya. So kusho ukuthi ibalance esizogcina siyikhokha, ibalance isikhishiwe, i-discount isikhishiwe is u-67,808. So ibalance lesizoyikhokha ngoJune. So masikwelete ngoJune sakhokha ngoJune, we pay 40% bese sikhipha that discount which is 5%. So mase sikhipha i-discount sisala no 67,808. And then we know ukuthi 50% of this balance we're gonna settle the following month, which is July. So in July we're gonna settle 50% of that balance here in June. So how much is the 50%? So siyabasusa laba sesifuna the 50% of that balance. So the 50% is 89,250. So 89,250 is gonna be settled in July. So that is 89,250. Then 10%, guys. When are we gonna settle 10%? 10% is so settlisha no August. So that the second month after the month of purchase is over, or August. So August is not included in our budget period. So we're gonna ignore that. Now sesisuka ku-July siya July, so June siyameka because sewinyanga esingemuva le. So la kunakhuza, so la ku-June asisafaki lutho sesiqedile, so sesiza ku-July. So ibalance besiyikoleta ngoJuly sikhokhe ngoJuly, siyazi ukuthi u-40% esiwukhokhayo lapho. So July to July same month we settle 40% and we qualify for a discount. So we qualify for a discount. So ama-workings wethu siwaveze, sikweleta ibalance ka-182 and then sizosettlisha u-40% and sithole the discount ka-5%. So 100 minus 5 kusho ukuthi so-end up sikhokha u-90%, 95%. So 95% is the rate esizoyikhokha after discount. Asakhokhi 100%, asayikhokhi in full because sinesaphulelo sika 5%. So 182,000 multiplied by 40%, multiplied by 40%, multiplied by 95%. Then kusinikeza u-69,160. So lo 69,160 ibalance esizoyisettlisha ngoJuly, 69,160. So 69,160. So guys, iyona short method le. So cause omunye ngenza ngendlela edileyayo, so ikhona enye indlela ongenza ngayo la but izokudelayisa le enye indlela you keep it discount. So angithi it's no 182 times 40%. So kusho ukuthi ibalance ekumele siyisettlishe ingakokhishwa i-discount u-72,800. So kumele sikhokhe 72,800 but siyazi ukuthi kune-discount ka-5%. So umuthi times u5% kulo 72,800 kuphuma kusho ukuthi i-discount esiyitholayo ibhalansi ka 3640. So lo 3640 sekumele ubuyele back uyominaza ukuthi uyakhumbula leya balance yethu beku 72,800 then sekuphuma u69,160. So nangu lo 69,160 athi uyabona ukuthi ufiyenza ngale ndlela it's a long process. So uma wenza ngale ndlela iyanqamulela. So i-discount uvele uyikhiphe ku100 uthi minus 500 discount. Then already usuyikhiphile i-discount izokunikeza ibalance esi-after discount. Then guys sesiqedile because siyazi ukuthi u50% of this balance when are we gonna settle u50% of that 182 sizosettlisha ngoJuly. I mean sizosettlisha the following month from after July, which is August. August is not in our budget period, we ignore that. When are we gonna settle 10% of that balance? Nenyanga yesibili from uJuly. Inyanga yesibili from uJuly kuzobani uSeptember. September is not in the period esibudgeted. So siya-ignore-ke lokho okungaphandle kwe-budget period yethu. So now into sekumele siyenzeke ukuthola ama-totals khona sizowa-transfer kwi-cash budget. So sizoqala ngoJune 17 080 plus 85,750 plus 67,830. So i-total yangoJune it's 170,660. So yona total sizoyi-collecta ngoJune le 170. Wona cash esiwu-collecta ngoJune, I mean asiwu-collect siyawukhokha because this is not collection schedule. So it's a payment schedule. So yona payment esizoyenza to our suppliers ngoJune for ama-purchases ebesikade siwenze on credits. Then ngoJuly sino 17,150 plus u89,250 plus 69,160 uphuma i-total ka 175,560. So this is the total balance ekumele siyikhokhe kuma-suppliers noma kuma-creditors wethu ngoJuly. So guys lana siyakhokha as-collect because ithina ebesihambile sayothenga ngesikweletu then bese sikhokha ngey'gaba ey'hlukahlukene. So isiyonke-ke imali esizoyikhokha ngoJune to our creditors is 170,660. Isiyonke imali esizoyikhokha ngoJuly to our creditors is 175,560. Then ngokwenza lokho guys usuzihlomulele u9 marks. So ayikho nzima guys, kumele uyi-understand ukuthi ihamba kanjani.